Learn how to make an elegant boho tassel pendant necklace using crystal beads in this step-by-step tutorial. This chic design combines the sparkle of crystals with the free-spirited charm of tassels, perfect for adding a stylish touch to any outfit. For this project, you'll need connectors for spike beads, jump rings, chain, and a lobster clasp to assemble your elegant boho tassel pendant necklace with crystal beads and spike bead accents. The connector should have dozens of holes to securely attach multiple spike beads. Make sure your pliers tools are available to easily manipulate jump rings and connectors. Let's get started on crafting this beautiful boho necklace, combining crystal beads, spike beads, and tassels for a stunning, unique piece. First, use tape to measure and cut 2 pieces of chain, each measuring 7 inches. These will form the base for your boho necklace, creating a balanced and symmetrical design. I'm using a sturdy chain, not too big or too thin, to ensure it can comfortably accommodate the multiple beads and components, providing durability and balance for the boho tassel necklace. Lay your connector ready, ensuring it's positioned properly with dozens of holes for attaching the spike beads securely to the necklace. Using flat nose pliers, open a jump ring and carefully insert it into the hole of the spike bead. Attach the jump ring with the spike bead inserted to the first connector. Use your pliers to securely close the jump ring, ensuring the bead is firmly connected to the connector. For the next step, use bronze spike beads to enhance the boho look, adding a rustic, edgy touch to your necklace design. Open another jump ring and insert it into the bronze spike bead, ensuring it's positioned correctly before closing it securely with your pliers. Choose any bead color that complements your design, whether bold and vibrant or subtle, to enhance the overall aesthetic of your boho necklace. Repeat the same process. Open the jump ring, insert it into the beads, and attach it securely to the connectors. Use your pliers to close the jump ring tightly for a secure attachment. Make sure to follow the pattern. Alternate between one color bead and one bronze spike. You can find these connectors with multiple holes online, or click below for convenient access to purchase them for your project. When inserting the spike beads, make sure you don't skip any holes in the connector, ensuring each bead is securely placed for a uniform, cohesive design. While working on your project, check each time to ensure the beads are in order, maintaining the correct pattern and alignment for a polished, balanced design. We are close to finishing the tassel. Open another jump ring, insert it into the bead, and then attach it securely to the connector. Close the jump ring tightly with pliers. Repeat the same process for the last spike bead. Open a jump ring, insert it into the bead, and attach it to the connector. Close the jump ring securely with your pliers. Your tassel pendant is now ready. Next, connect it to the chains using a jump ring, securing it tightly. Open a jump ring inserted into the end of the chain link, then simultaneously insert it into the connectors. Close the jump ring tightly with pliers, ensuring everything is securely attached for a complete tassel necklace. Open another jump ring, insert it into the end of the chain link, and simultaneously insert it into the other side connectors. Close the jump ring tightly with pliers to secure everything in place. Now both chains are attached to the tassel, completing the necklace structure and ready for the final adjustments. Open a jump ring, insert it into the end of the chain, attach the lobster clasp, and close the jump ring tightly with pliers to secure the clasp to the necklace. Open the last jump ring for this project. Insert it into the end of the chain, attach the extension chain, and close the jump ring securely with pliers for adjustable length. Check for any gaps or openings in the jump rings to ensure everything is securely closed and your necklace is fully assembled. This boho tassel necklace would look great with any color, offering versatility to match a variety of outfits and personal styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more designs and tutorials. Stay tuned for more creative jewelry projects to inspire your crafting journey.